So this is the market overview project where I created a report that basically tells me the market's highlights. This is created based on the headlines and news on the SPY, the NASDAQ, put together and summarized using a large language model. Okay, so this is the first uh, section of the report. Here we can see what's going on in the market. There's a way to summary all the information so we know what's going on and the main topics that are driving market prices. And following this session, we have the sector opportunities, which is also created based on a large language model. Use the information above, what's driving the market prices, and it suggests like what kind of ideas we could explore in each sector based on the market highlights. Okay, so this is to give us a direction on sector exposure and what could drive prices based on the news. So it's a way to like top down, meaning you see the whole market now. We drive into the sector opportunities, and then we can check how it everything performing. This is a chart created using ETFs where I group them by country, US specific markets, and then sectors, and finally commodities. So basically gives you a general overview of sector and broad market with news information. So you know what's going on basically. This is the first step in the trading day. The next information I have is related to earnings. So I created this chart where you can see the earnings seasons highlighted in high green here. And you can see we are on the second week of the earnings seasons where we started to see some more companies releasing earnings. So basically is to identify if we are close or not to the earnings seasons and see what's how much liquidity and movement and is expected during the current day. So the next session is about the calendar. So what are the news releases and economic information that is coming out today and what time, so we can be prepared for the trading session of that day specifically. This is extracted from TradingView, so it's just on a widget in the page, so we can see what's going on. And finally, we can see here, it's a score that I load into my, I have a spreadsheet where I put all my trading plan and stuff. Maybe I show this as some other time. But here, this score is used to classify and group what sector are strong and what market is also strong. You can see here the trend and the momentum measured by the RSI, sorry. So here we can see we have a daily chart with some indicators. Right here we can see like we're trending up. This is a trend score. Right here it's calculated based on this trending indicators. It's a score I created to measure the trend based on some indicators. Down here we can see the RSI. It's a relative RSI based on previous information and the volume bar. So and this technical analysis starts, it goes from multiple time frames. You can see like we're talking about 130 minutes, and finally the 30-minute chart. It includes pre-market information as well, and we can see if I want to explore a specific sector or something else, we can see here like it has the same information quantified, and so this is the first step to basically get to know what's moving, what's not, and how are the sectors performing. This is would be my first step on my trading day. So this was the project I created to help me on this workflow. It has all the information, the overall information about the market in this report. So basically that's it. Okay.